What is Quo? Why is everyone talking about it? Well, it's a non-invasive treatment, actually an injectable, that can treat those deep dimples that women have on the buttocks and legs. Hi, I'm Dr. Mitch Chasin, the Medical Director of Reflections. I've been in cosmetic medicine now for over 2 decades, and one of the most troublesome conditions that we treat is cellulite, because there really hasn't been a true cure, especially for those deep dimples that women complain about. Well, now we have Quo. What is Quo? Why is everyone talking about it? Well, it's a non-invasive treatment, actually an injectable, that can treat those deep dimples that women have on the buttocks and legs. Quo is actually an enzyme that can break down bad collagen, the collagen that causes fibrous or these dense bands that tether the skin down and give rise to these dimples. It's a non-invasive treatment, it's an injection. So through a series of 3 treatments just a few weeks apart, we can dramatically improve the appearance of dimples in the buttock and legs. Who is an excellent candidate for Quo? It's a woman who suffers from deep dimples in the buttock and legs. But remember, there's different types of cellulite, and sometimes cellulite causes a wavy appearance to the skin over a wide geography. So for women that suffer from that type of cellulite, we'd actually rather use an energy-based device called Exillis Ultra, or even a different type of injectable called Sculptra, which is a biostimulator, something that improves the firmness to the skin, again, over a wide area. And it's not uncommon that we use Quo in combination with either Exillis Ultra or even Sculptra. So it's very important that someone seek care from a physician who is experienced and has expertise in treating this condition. You want to treat it the first time correctly. And it's very, very satisfying to see this condition, which has been present for so many years, improve just in a matter of weeks. The treatment with Quo is very comfortable, it's very quick, and the results are incredibly satisfying. But please know that there's a period of bruising, actually can last up to a few weeks after the first treatment. It doesn't last quite as long with the second and third treatment, but some bruising is still experienced. It's not painful bruising, however, and that bruising is a sign that Quo is actually working, so it's actually a good thing. Important to note, well, who isn't a candidate for Quo? Sometimes dimples are not actually cellulite. They're a sign of loose skin. So it's very important that a physician be experienced and knowledgeable about cellulite and do a proper physical exam when they can determine the cause of those dimples. If it's laxity or looseness, the treatment is very different. We may have injectable agents that help firm the skin. We may use technologies to help tighten the skin, but there, Quo isn't the treatment of choice. We'd love you to come down to Reflections and sit with one of our experienced physicians to talk about cellulite, to learn about what you've done in the past that has helped or hasn't helped, and provide a really detailed physical exam where we can best determine the proper course of action. Quo is wonderful for those deep dimples, but that, again, is not the only cause of cellulite. So we need to create a customized treatment plan just for you.